Hey guys, welcome back. In my first video, I had told you about mean. In this video, I will tell you about mod. The formula for the mod is L plus F1 minus F0 upon twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here, L is lower limit of model class. I'll tell you what is model class. Lower limit of model class. Model class is the class having maximum frequency. Model class is the class with maximum frequency. F1 is frequency of model class. F0 is frequency of class preceding the model class. Frequency of class preceding model class. And F2 is the frequency of class succeeding model class. And H is the class size. I am starting with the question number 1 of NCERT exercise 14.2. The following table shows the ages of patients admitted in a hospital during a year. This is the class interval and this is the frequency. Find the mode and mean of the data given above. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. Write down the class intervals. I written the class intervals and write down the frequencies. Now I am calculating mean first. Now to calculate mean, we have to calculate xi. Xi is the class marks, and class marks are calculated as upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 15 plus 5 upon 2 is 20 upon 2 is 10. Then 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. To calculate mean, I have to calculate fi xi. I am calculating mean by the first method, that is direct method. So calculate multiply fi with xi. 60, 220, 630, 920, 300. Find the sum of fi xi value, that is sigma fi xi. Now sigma fi is equal to 80. Calculate mean with the direct method. Xi is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. 2830 upon 80. Divide it and we will get 35.37 years. Now I had to calculate mode. To calculate mode, first I had to find model class, and model class is the class with maximum frequency here. Find out the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is this, so we name it as F1, and model class is the class of maximum frequency, so this is the model class with maximum frequency. And L is the lower limit of model class, so L is equal to 35. And F0 is the class frequency of the class preceding model class, so this is F0. And F2 is the frequency of class succeeding model class, this is F2. And H is the class size, which is calculated by subtracting upper limit minus lower limit, and we will get 10. So L is equal to 35, H is equal to 10, F0 is 21, F1 is 23 and F2 is 14. Put it in mode formula. Mode formula is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L is equal to 35 plus 23 minus 21 upon 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 14 into 10. Solve this 22. This is 46 minus 35 into 10. 20 on 18 divided will get 1.8, and now we have to interrupt and compare these mean and mode values. Compare and interrupt. Intern. Look, mean is smaller than mode. Look, mean is 35.37 and mode is 36.81 years. So mode is that value among data which occurs most frequently, and mean is the average number. Here, maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital are of ages 36.81. Mode value will tell us that maximum number of patients admitted in a hospital are of ages 36.8, and mean value will tell us that the average, that is the age of patients admitted to the hospital is 35.57 years. So this is the interpretation of these two questions, mean and mode. I'll write it in to hospital. Now I am taking question number 6. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized it in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. Now this is question number 6. Write down these class intervals. Write down the frequencies. Here in this I had to calculate only mode. So to calculate mode, find the maximum frequency. The maximum frequency is 20. So we name it as F1. And the class of maximum frequency is known as model class. So this is the model class, and 40 to 50 is model class, and L, that is the lower limit of model class, is 40. L is 40, that is the lower limit of the model class, and F0 is this preceding the model class frequency, and F2 is this. H is the class size, and class size is 10. What is in the formula? Mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So mod is equal to, write down the values, 40 plus 20 minus 12 upon 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 into H, that is 10. Forty plus 80 upon 17, divide these values, we'll get 4.7. Now add these values. 7 cars. I hope you like the solutions. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.